Manipur asi sustainable textiles amasung natural fiber gi achobo tungna famama oinaba lenga ki department stakeholder private entrepreneur amasung designer sing puna thabak tominaba mathau tai haina Manipur gi governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana phongdokre wafam asi nilakuthi da leiba Arvan Hatta numit mangani chupna pangthokadaba Manipur International Textiles Expo Manitex 2025 hawdokpagi thoramda mahakna phongdokhibani. Weaving a sustainable future, Manipur handloom heritage to global fashion haiba theme gi makhada pangthok pathoramaduda Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana makhatana hai. Expo asi Manipur da puthokliba handloom gi pothok singi tongan ba design gi icham chamba exhibition amanate. Masidi Manipur gi saktam khutsa haiba amasung anabu wakhalon sing puthokpa ngambagi celebration makhalamani. Jingtam animakta leiriba furup singi top pa theme Machu amadi haithoi sing thoiba kayana khudol tawriba lamda masigi textile heritage yauba fazaraba saktam amasu expo asida utlibani numit mangani chupna pangthokadoriba expo asina tradition amasung innovation gi samnafamuma oibagi mathakta lamda masigi artist kayabu khangna unabagi mafam amasu piri Governor na makhatana hai Manipur ge samilon ase fagathan gi hairabadi fisabi sing gi achoba thodang lei lamda masigi handloom amasung textiles na Manipur ge samilon da achoba mafam makalibani hojikti handloom amasung handicraft ke sector ase cultural gi lan oibagi mathakta Manipur ge samilon fagat hanaba honabada khwaidagi maru oiba yumbi amasu oirabani hainasu Governor Ajay Kumar Bhalana makhatana phongdoki Manipur lenga ki Directorate of Handloom and Textiles na silaga pangthokhiba thoramaduda National Handloom Development Program gi makhada Governor na fisakon lising ahum beneficiary singda yenthoki
Manipur has long been known as the land of weavers, where tradition and talent blend seamlessly. Every piece of fabric woven here carries the fragrance of our hills and valleys and the essence of our culture. This expo is therefore a proud moment for all of us. It offers a vibrant platform for our artisans and entrepreneurs to showcase their creations before a global audience and to strengthen the Manipur brand, a brand that stands for authenticity, elegance, and eco-friendly craftsmanship. By bringing together international buyers, designers, and trade partners, Manitex opens new doors for collaboration and export. It allows the world to see that Manipur offers not just products, but stories woven with skill, patience, and pride. Such exposure will undoubtedly enhance our global presence and create new economic opportunities for our people.